Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're checking out the Oppo F21 Pro 2025, the latest addition to Oppo SF series lineup. With upgraded features, a stylish design, and an improved camera system, this smartphone is aiming to dominate the mid-range market. Let us break down everything you need to know. Starting with the exterior, Oppo has kept its focus on premium aesthetics. The F21 Pro 2025 comes with a sleek and lightweight body that feels comfortable in hand. The back panel features a matte finish that resists fingerprints while giving off a sophisticated look. Oppo has also introduced new color variants, adding a fresh touch to its already stylish lineup. The camera module has been slightly redesigned, making it more refined and modern. The phone is slim and easy to handle, making it a perfect daily driver for those who appreciate both style and practicality. Moving on to the display, the F21 Pro 2025 sports a 6.5-inch AMOLED panel with a high refresh rate. This ensures smooth scrolling, crisp visuals, and a vibrant color experience whether you're watching videos, gaming, or just browsing. The improved brightness levels make it easy to use outdoors, and the slim bezels provide an immersive viewing experience. Oppo has continued to refine its display technology, making sure users get the best visuals in its category. Now, let us talk about performance. The F21 Pro 2025 is powered by the latest mid-range chipset, delivering faster speeds and better efficiency. Multitasking is smooth, and gaming performance has been optimized to handle demanding titles without lag. The phone runs on the newest version of Color OS, based on Android, bringing new customization options, enhanced security features, and better app optimization. Battery life is also a strong point, with a long-lasting capacity that easily powers through a full day of use. Fast charging ensures that even if you run low, a quick top-up gets you back in action in no time. When it comes to cameras, Oppo has made some noticeable improvements. The main sensor captures detailed and sharp images even in low light, thanks to advanced AI processing. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for capturing landscapes and group shots, while the macro lens allows for creative close-ups. The front-facing camera remains one of Oppo's strong points, delivering high-quality selfies with natural skin tones and enhanced beauty effects. Video recording has been upgraded with improved stabilization, making handheld footage smoother and more professional looking. Oppo has also stepped up its game in the software department. The AI-powered features help enhance daily smartphone usage, from optimizing battery performance to improving camera output. The in-display fingerprint sensor is fast and secure, while facial recognition adds another layer of convenience. Connectivity options remain solid with 5G support, ensuring fast internet speeds and seamless browsing. In conclusion, the Oppo F21 Pro 2025 is a strong contender in the mid-range segment. With its stylish design, high-quality display, capable performance, and impressive cameras, it offers great value for users looking for a balanced smartphone experience. Whether you're into photography, gaming, or just need a reliable everyday device, this phone delivers on multiple fronts. That's it for today's review. Let me know your thoughts on the Oppo F21 Pro 2025 in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FK iPhone for more updates on the latest smartphones. See you in the next one.